Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can find local jobs on SimplyHired. So I'm right here on simplyhired.com and you can see I've logged into my account. So now if you want jobs near you, you simply type in your city code right here and then click on search jobs. Alternatively, you can go to the menu, scroll down to job tools and then click on local jobs. Now, I can click on change location depending on where I want to work from. And here you can see the most popular cities here. Houston, New York, Chicago. Thousands of jobs are available. Say for example, you're based in New York. Just click on New York. And you can see all the jobs available in New York are right here. Front desk, lobby attendant. And this was posted 5 hours ago, about $20 to $29. $33 an hour. So if you're around New York, make sure that you apply for these jobs. And then let's change to location to somewhere maybe in India. Let's say Delhi. So I'm going to search location. So let's view the jobs available. You can see there is no job. If it is not there, what you can do, you can create an alert so that when someone posts a job, you can get a notification on your email. Or you can simply type remote job and then search jobs. So you can see for remote jobs, you have customer service, phone chat, email, content moderator, $19 to $23 an hour, help desk technician, remote customer service, scheduling coordinator, web chat representative, content reviewer. So once you get something that you can do, you can just click on quick apply. And you can see I have my resume linked there, so I can just simply click submit application. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching.